Well, we are at the Home and Garden Show in Columbus, Ohio, and well, what you're seeing here is the connector between two buildings, the Bricker building and the Celeste building. They are actually titled differently during the Home and Garden Show, but it is a great connector, as you can see. Actually, it's a beautiful walkthrough. And as we enter into the Celeste Center, you're going to see a lot more of the gardens. And let's just see what we can see inside of here. Oh, thank you very much. So you enter into the Celeste Center, and this building has all of the incredible vegetation that you're going to see in here. Just look at this. Here we go. We're going to walk our way through here. So at any point in time, if there's something that you want to see, simply use your mouse, move it around, you can see what you're looking at, or just turn your camera around. You'll be able to see it with your phone in any direction. Let's walk over and see what we've got over here. So the gardens are beautiful through here. Look at this. Let's see if we can get up this hill here. So here we are. We're going through the midst of the garden here. I'll try to go as slow as possible so you can see everything that's happening in here. Underneath this pergola, look at that. This is just beautiful. You can see that these are icicles hanging down. A very, very peaceful area. And everything that's involved in here, bird nests and the trees, everything is blooming. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. It's just calming to walk through here at the Home and Garden Show.
Got it? Yeah.
So you can see the different gardens that are around here. There's so much to see at the Home and Garden Show that as you come through, beautiful bridge, a waterfall. Look down at the waterfall right here and you can see it across the bridge. It's hard to see from this area, but you can spin around there and see it. And as we're walking through, there are vendors in every corner of this. For the most part, this is a show that just really makes you feel like spring is here. And that's what I like about it best, because not only can you see what you can do with your home and with parts of your home and what's necessities, but you can see what you can do with the yard. That's why it's called Home and Garden. Funny how that works out, isn't it? Let's step in here and see what this goes inside here. There we can. Here we go. As we come through. It's like, these are giant boulders. I don't know how they set this stuff up in here, but they certainly do. Wave, smile, and say hi. But as you can see, look at this beautiful. I could tell you that's sculpting right there, but my goodness, is that incredible. It looks almost Hollywood-esque. Some beautiful things to see here at the Home and Garden Show. Let's come around this other end here. Excuse me. And of course, there's a food court and beverages here. Smile and wave.
Garden season will be here before we know it.
But in each and every area, you can just basically feel yourself walking through. Get some ideas. Ideas of what you might do with your patio, what you might do with your backyard. Beautiful. And they set this all up just for the show. So you can come through and get some ideas. And that's why they're here for 2 weeks. And as I'm shooting this, there's one final weekend, which will be this weekend. Stage is up there. Enchanted Gardens is the theme this year. I guess they have rappelling here too, so they're doing a little bit of everything here. Swing through here just so you can kind of get a look at everything that's in here. And if you see something you like, you know, you can kind of, I'll go as slow as possible, but you can turn the camera around, use your mouse, use your finger, so you can check in different areas here of the show. There's just so much to see, and everything from pavers to tools and stuff. Now that's an outdoor patio, isn't it? Columbus Hardscape's got a nice fireplace, mantle.
Design element
Yes, it's 360, so it's still seeing you, so smile away. Coming to your right. Coming to your right. So there it is. There's a quick 360 tour of the Celeste building at the Columbus Home and Garden Show. It's the Home and Garden Show here in Columbus, Ohio. And I know that we have quite a few different sponsors and vendors involved in this, but what an incredible area to come through. We'll be coming through and doing some interviews, so this is just a great way to see it. So there we go.